Have you ever delivered a project that technically met all requirements, but still left stakeholders feeling unsatisfied? You checked all the boxes, yet something was missing, or perhaps worse, something broke down unexpectedly after delivery. This gap between met requirements and true satisfaction is precisely where quality planning steps in, and mastering it is crucial for your certified associate in project management exam and your career. Today, you are going to learn how to proactively define and plan for quality, ensuring your projects not only meet specifications, but genuinely delight your users. Quality planning is the process of identifying quality requirements and standards for the project and its deliverables, and then documenting how the project will demonstrate compliance. Think of it like planning to build a custom home. You would not just start building, you would first define exactly what quality means for that home. This includes everything from the strength of the foundation to the finish of the cabinets and the reliability of the plumbing. You're not just building a house, you're building a quality house. The outcome of quality planning is a comprehensive quality management plan. This plan details how you will manage quality throughout the project, including the standards, metrics, processes, and responsibilities. It is your blueprint for achieving excellence, not just meeting the bare minimum. Without this upfront planning, quality becomes an afterthought, often leading to costly rework, delays, and dissatisfied stakeholders. You want to avoid that at all costs. A common confusion many students face is distinguishing between quality and grade. This is an important distinction for your exam. Quality refers to the degree to which a set of inherent characteristics fulfills requirements. In simpler terms, it is about meeting the specifications you set. Grade, on the other hand, is a category assigned to deliverables having the same functional use but different technical characteristics. For example, a basic economy car and a luxury sedan both have high quality if they perform as specified for their intended purpose. However, they are of different grades due to their features and specifications. High quality is always good, but a low-grade product can still be high quality if it meets its specific, less demanding requirements. Understanding the tools and techniques for quality planning is essential for creating a robust quality management plan. One vital concept is the cost of quality, often abbreviated as KOQ. This technique helps you understand the total cost of all efforts to achieve quality throughout the project lifecycle. The cost of quality includes both the cost of conformance and the cost of nonconformance. Let us break that down. The cost of conformance refers to the money spent to prevent failures. This includes prevention costs such as training, process documentation, and equipment calibration, and appraisal costs like testing, destructive testing loss, and inspections. These are investments made upfront to ensure things are done right the first time. The cost of nonconformance, conversely, is the money spent because of failures. This includes internal failure costs, such as rework and scrap, and external failure costs, which are incurred after the product is delivered, like warranty work liabilities and lost business. Here is how you apply this in planning. Imagine your team is developing a new mobile application. You could choose to skimp on upfront testing and code reviews, saving some money in the short term. Those are prevention and appraisal costs. However, this often leads to numerous bugs and crashes after launch. These are internal and external failure costs. By understanding the cost of quality, you can justify investing more in prevention and appraisal during planning, like thorough beta testing and automated code checks. This proactive approach significantly reduces the much higher costs of fixing issues later or dealing with unhappy users and reputational damage. The common error here is assuming that cutting quality costs upfront saves money. It almost always costs more in the long run. Other essential quality planning tools include benchmarking, which involves comparing your project practices to those of other similar projects, either inside or outside your organization. Data gathering techniques like brainstorming and interviews are also crucial for identifying quality requirements. Data analysis techniques, such as cost-benefit analysis and multi-criteria decision analysis, help you weigh options and make informed decisions about quality standards. Flowcharts, logical data models, and matrix diagrams can also help visualize processes and identify potential quality issues. Test and inspection planning is another key activity, detailing how deliverables will be verified and validated. Let us consider project manager Sarah, who is leading the launch of a new online learning platform. Her team has developed the core features and the deadline is approaching fast. Sarah faces pressure to launch quickly, but she also knows that user satisfaction and platform stability are paramount for long-term success. She needs to decide how to prioritize quality activities given tight budget and time constraints. What would you do in Sarah's shoes? Would you push for quick release or invest more in quality assurance? Sarah decides to conduct a thorough cost of quality analysis. She presents data showing that while extensive user acceptance testing and automated security audits would add 2 weeks to the schedule and increase upfront costs by 5%, the potential cost of nonconformance from a buggy, insecure launch could be 10 times higher. This includes customer refunds, reputation damage, and emergency fixes. Based on this analysis, Sarah successfully advocates for extending the timeline slightly to incorporate these critical quality activities. The platform launches smoothly, users report high satisfaction, and post-launch support tickets are minimal. Had she rushed, the platform would likely have been riddled with issues, leading to widespread user frustration and significant financial losses. This scenario highlights a key lesson. Proactive quality planning prevents costly downstream issues. The exam will often test your understanding of this proactive versus reactive approach to quality. Now that you have grasped the essentials of quality planning, you are well equipped to define how excellence will be achieved in your projects. Our next critical step in the predictive project management section involves understanding the human and material elements needed to execute this plan. In the upcoming lecture, Resource Planning Basics, you will learn how to identify, acquire, and manage the team's equipment and materials necessary to bring your project to life effectively. This knowledge will enable you to build a complete and realistic blueprint for success, step by step, in this Certified Associate in Project Management Masterclass.